morning.
Hey, Pam.
Steak and Shake has been doing happy hour since 1934.
During the Great Depression? No, I doubt that.
I was there. We were drinking our milkshakes when I had an idea. I said, smiling contest, go. And we smiled for an hour. It was the happiest hour of our lives.
And then what happened?
What do you think? We got depressed again. It was the Great Depression.
That makes sense.
Get half-price milkshakes between 2 and 5 during happy hour, only at Steak and Shake.
Choosing from the $4 menu is not for the indecisive. Incredible values await. Behold the original double steak burger meal, the taco salad and chili cheese footlong meals, the garlic double steak burger meal.
What's that sound, Master?
Kung Fu elbow. Try it.
The $4 menu, where all meals are under $4 at Steak and Shake.